Tesla, the groundbreaking electric car manufacturer, has achieved unparalleled success in the modern business landscape. With a market capitalization of approximately $380 billion, Tesla has become a driving force in the industry, revolutionizing the market with its fully electric vehicles. To meet the soaring demand for their cars, Tesla established an innovative production facility called the Gigafactory. Let us delve into the inner workings of the Tesla Gigafactory. Presently, Tesla produces around 350,000 vehicles annually, which is significantly lower than the market demand. However, the company has ambitious plans to scale up production to an astounding 20 million cars per year. Achieving this audacious goal necessitates significant advancements in their production chain, including the construction of several large-scale factories worldwide. The cornerstone of Tesla's production line is their Gigafactory in Sparks, Nevada. Serving as the blueprint for future Tesla factories, this fully operational facility lays the foundation for the company's expansion. Over the past 2 years, Tesla has struggled to keep up with the overwhelming orders for the Model 3 in the United States. Operating 24/7, the Gigafactory currently employs 7,000 skilled individuals and produces approximately 2 battery packs per minute. Its current production rate stands at 5,000 battery packs per week, with substantial room for growth. Project Roadrunner, an initiative aimed at reducing costs, aims to achieve a milestone of $100 per kilowatt-hour by 2021, according to Sam Jaff, the managing director of Ken Energy Research Advisors. Tesla has consistently demonstrated its commitment to cost reduction in both battery cells and packs. The company's strategic planning and execution have granted them a substantial advantage in terms of cost efficiency. Nevertheless, the Gigafactory has encountered some challenges along the way. Initially, Tesla partnered with Panasonic to manufacture their exclusive batteries. Panasonic claimed to enhance the energy density of Tesla's batteries, but their relationship was marred by allegations of fraud. Recently, the two companies inked a new deal, extending their collaboration until 2023. However, Panasonic is no longer Tesla's sole battery supplier, as Tesla has also formed partnerships with LG Chem and Cattle to provide battery cells in China. Collaborating with the factory's human workforce of 7,000 employees are a team of highly advanced robots. These robots navigate the factory using digital maps and follow predetermined routes, ensuring seamless movement of inventory throughout the facility. The Gigafactory's physical orientation aligns with true north, enabling precise GPS synchronization and accurate alignment of the rooftop solar panels. Designed to be energy self-reliant, the factory combines on-site solar, wind, and geothermal sources to power its operations. Once completed, the Gigafactory will boast the largest footprint in the world and the second largest volume. Despite facing scrutiny over wastefulness within the factory, Tesla has integrated various energy-saving features into its master plan. For instance, excess heat generated by compressors and high-temperature ovens serves a dual purpose of operating equipment efficiently and keeping the factory warm during colder months. The Gigafactory also incorporates a water cooling system, leveraging the dry and cool air of Nevada to maintain optimal temperatures and support air conditioning. Tesla's commitment to sustainability extends beyond the Gigafactory's operational practices. Their overarching goal is to achieve a fully net-zero facility, leaving no carbon footprint. In 2020, the Gigafactory in Nevada turned a profit for the first time, primarily driven by the substantial increase in demand for Tesla vehicles and Panasonic's contribution. In a bold and ambitious declaration, Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced plans to build approximately 100 Gigafactories in the future. While this vision has yet to materialize, several Gigafactories are currently under construction worldwide. Giga 2, located in Buffalo, New York, was initially a SolarCity factory but was acquired by Tesla. It was intended to produce Tesla energy products, including the innovative solar roof. Gigafactory 3, a $2 billion facility in Shanghai, China, is expected to commence production of the Model 3 by the end of the year. Tesla aims to leverage the experience gained from its Nevada facility to optimize operations at the Shanghai factory, which will serve as a model for future Gigafactories. To cater to the European market, Tesla is establishing Gigafactory 4 near Berlin, Germany. In an interview, Elon Musk hinted at a radical redesign of the current technology used in car manufacturing for the locally made Model Y. The construction of Gigafactory 4 has faced opposition from Berlin residents concerned about rising housing prices, water usage, tree clearing, and construction practices. Tesla has responded to some of these concerns by reducing planned water consumption and altering construction methods. Additionally, Tesla is constructing Gigafactory 5 just outside Austin, Texas. This mammoth project spans 5 million square feet and will create numerous job opportunities in the construction sector. Although the selection of a general contractor for the Cybertruck and semi-facility remains uncertain, several contractors have expressed their interest in the project. As we conclude our exploration of the Gigafactory, it becomes evident that we have witnessed the future of electric car production. Tesla's relentless pursuit of innovation, commitment to sustainability, and bold vision have transformed the automotive landscape. The Gigafactory stands as a testament to what can be achieved when passion, technology, and a steadfast belief in a better future collide. Tesla's rapid growth and expansion are undeniable, with its fleet of Gigafactories poised to be the company's backbone in the years to come. These cutting-edge facilities represent the future of electric vehicle manufacturing and are integral to Tesla's mission of accelerating sustainable transportation. The Tesla Gigafactory is a place where dreams become reality, where the future of electric car production takes shape. Inside its walls, we have witnessed the convergence of innovation, sustainability, and advanced manufacturing processes. Tesla's unwavering commitment to revolutionizing transportation has set the stage for a new era of electric vehicles. That was all for today's video. You can share with us your views in the comment section. And if you are new to the channel, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos we upload. Thank you for watching the video. Best of luck and goodbye.